Hey guys, here's a 52-inch Hunter Original ceiling fan. This model is from 1991 and it is in the bright brass finish. It's a 4-blade model and it has a versatile, I believe it's walnut and medium oak blades. I have the walnut side showing. This is the last original that I got off of Craigslist in the big lot. This one originally came with a big dome light kit, which I was gonna demonstrate it for the video, but all the parts to kind of put it up into the switch housing were bent, and I really didn't want to bend them back, so I kind of got rid of the light kit, and I just figured I'd get a switch cap for it. I actually have one of these already. Same finish, same 4-blade configuration, and I'm pretty sure it has the same year. I have to look at the video again, but yeah, pretty interesting. I have two now. And yeah, this one was on the previous owner's sun porch. It has a little bit of wear to it, but it's not nearly as bad as some of the other ones that I've gotten. But without further ado, we'll try it out. Here's low speed. This one also came with everything. This one did come with the U-bolt and the grommet. Here's medium. And here's high speed. Does just fine on high speed. It's in pretty good alignment too. Blades are actually in pretty decent condition. This one has a weight on the top of it though. Just the tag. 91. There's a couple scuffs on it, but I'm pretty sure I can get those out. And there was some pitting that is happening. I will try my best to get it out though, and we'll see what happens. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.